Good morning students. So today we are going to discuss the adiabatic process. Till now we have derived expression for isothermal process in which we discussed that the process where temperature remains constant is called the isothermal process, and in that process we said this thing also that PV is equal to constant. This equation we have derived for the isothermal process. But here we are going to discuss about the adiabatic process. When we were discussing the definitions, I told you that the process in which no heat transmission is possible, neither from inside the system nor from outside the surroundings. So that process is called the adiabatic, or we can say the system is isolated from the surrounding, means ना तो heat अंदर से बाहर जा सकती है या ना ही बाहर से अंदर. That process is called adiabatic process. For to clarify this adiabatic process, I have this systematic diagram. What I have taken this piston cylinder in which gas molecules are there. This cylinder is isolated, means the heat which is inside the cylinder cannot go outside, and heat which is in the surroundings that also cannot go inside. This is the property, or I can say definition, of adiabatic process, according to which heat transmission is not possible at all. The heat content in the system should not go out, then only we can say our system is based upon the adiabatic process. No transmission of heat can take place. Now in this we can say that PVT means pressure, volume, temperature. These three terms can change, but heat transmission will not take place at all. As we have discussed that isothermal process was very slow, but it is very quick, or I can say fast process, that is adiabatic. And the walls of container, the walls which we have taken of the container, is also adiabatic. We know the equation for the adiabatic process is PV gamma is equal to constant. P is pressure, V is volume, and gamma, it is the ratio of specific heat at constant pressure to the specific heat at constant volume. We will discuss it later on. Just see this thing firstly, that for adiabatic process we have this equation. In isothermal process we discussed that PV is equal to constant, but for adiabatic we have PV, V raised to power gamma, is constant. Now just see what gamma is. Gamma is the ratio of specific heat at constant pressure to the specific heat at constant volume. This is the gamma, and this is the gas equation, according to gas equation. Now we know as according to first law that dq, heat to denote the heat alphabetically we write this dq. Why we have written dq? Because heat can be changed. So dq is equal to du plus dw. That definition, or I can say equation, we have done when we were discussing the first law of thermodynamics. As we are doing adiabatic process over here, so we know no heat transmission is possible. Heat transfer ho hi nahi sakta, and if heat transferring is not taking place, then obviously dq will be 0. Here we can take 0, and du, in place of d I can write delta, because delta also means change. So change in internal energy plus change in work. Now this term came 0. अगर ये term हमारी 0 आ गया, I can write the equation in this way, that is delta W is equal to minus delta U. Now it comes in the negative term. Internal energy is coming in the negative term. अब अगर हमारी इंटरनल एनर्जी डिक्रीज हो रही है, मीन्स टेम्परेचर में क्या आ रहा है, फॉल आ रहा है. एंड इफ टेम्परेचर इज फॉलिंग, इट मीन्स कूलिंग इज टेकिंग प्लेस. गैस जो हो रही है वो क्या हो रही है, कूल हो रही है. वाई? बिकॉज टेम्परेचर इज फॉलिंग. हाउ वी केम टू नो अबाउट दिस थिंग? बिकॉज आर इंटरनल एनर्जी इज डिक्रीजिंग, एंड वी डिनोट इंटरनल एनर्जी बाय द U. And in that first law we have derived this equation also, that delta W is equal to P delta V. So our P delta V is equal to minus delta U, means cooling is taking place. For example, we can take the very good live example of refrigerator. What happens in the refrigerator? In the refrigerator there is a system from where gas expands, and when gas expands in the large volume, it gives us cooling. That is also according to adiabatic process. So this is the concept of adiabatic process.